Hello guys, now see Amaraja battery. This stock is actually taking support around 860, 865, 870 region, okay, and it is trading around 882, 883 rupees, okay. What can happen? See, this stock has a resistance line here around 964, 965, and this stock has a slanted resistance line also, okay. So what can happen? This stock can actually behave in a sideways manner tomorrow. If it will behave in a sideways manner, then how we can trade this stock? We will firstly try and see to get some sort of expression of this stock around 898, 899 rupees, okay. And after that, if it starts falling, then only we will go short on this stock. And if it breaks this resistance of 898 and sustains above that, then only we will initiate a buy trade. This stock can remain sideways if nifty is sideways, so what can happen, it will come down and it can sustain with around 868, 865 rupees, and then again give some sort of a pull back and go upside, okay. So we will have a close look on this stock, this kind of a stocks which can actually give a good kind of a return. If it will go above 898, then it can go upside, and if it starts falling from 890, then it can come towards 870, 868, 867, 865 rupees, okay. Thank you for watching. This is Amaraja battery.